Lecture 21, The Sixth Mantra of Leadership, Failed Congratulations. Part 2. 3 Redefinitions of Failure. There may be some who ask, you talked about 7 types of failure, and only one is considered a good failure. Does that mean there are too few failures worth congratulating? I want to make it clear, all 7 types of failure are worth congratulating. Even the 2 normal failures, known risks and unforeseeable risks, and the 4 bad failures, ignoring regulations, carelessness, incompetence, and process defects, can all be met with a congratulations. Here, I introduce the concept of redefining failure, which provides 4 reasons to congratulate any failure, even the bad ones. The first redefinition of failure is a well-intentioned reminder. Congratulations on your failure. Why? Because failure is not a bad thing, but a well-intentioned reminder. If you accidentally slip and fall, you can say to yourself, congratulations. Why is it worth congratulating? Because it's a well-intentioned reminder that the road is slippery and you need to be careful to avoid breaking a leg. The same applies to failures in an organization, which can also be a well-intentioned reminder that helps us avoid greater disasters. The second redefinition of failure is a process of success. Failure is a process of success. A reporter once asked Edison how he felt about failing 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. Edison replied, "I didn't fail 1,000 times, I just found 1,000 ways that didn't work." Therefore, failure is worth congratulating because every failure brings us one step closer to success. The third redefinition of failure is a beneficial discovery. Li Xiaopeng, a gymnast who won 16 world championships, was once asked which experience was the most unforgettable. He said it was his failure. Li was referring to the 2004 Athens Olympics, where he made a mistake in his specialty, the vault. He put a picture of himself falling on the ground in the gym and looked at it for 4 years. He said that this failure brought him more than a gold medal, as it allowed him to consider things from the perspective of a loser for the first time. For Li Xiaopeng, this failure was a beneficial discovery. 4. The fourth redefinition. I have already shared with you the 3 redefinitions of failure, a friendly reminder, a process toward success, and a beneficial discovery. Now, let me introduce you to the 4th one. Failure is an opportunity to learn. Did you fail? Congratulations. You have gained another chance to learn. It is important to note that failure being an opportunity to learn is the most crucial redefinition of failure. Why? As I mentioned earlier, there are 3 other redefinitions of failure: a friendly reminder, a process toward success, and a beneficial discovery. However, these 3 redefinitions can only be valid if you view failure as an opportunity to learn. If you do not learn from failure, it cannot be a friendly reminder. For instance, if you fell here last time and did not learn from it, you might break your leg the next time. Similarly, failure can only be a process toward success and a beneficial discovery if you view it as an opportunity to learn. The phrase, congratulations on failing, goes hand in hand with the 2 wheels of failure classification and redefinition. These 2 wheels are not separate but connected, and the connection is viewing failure as an opportunity to learn. To learn from failure, you need to identify which type of failure it is, right? From this perspective, viewing failure as an opportunity to learn is the most crucial redefinition of failure. Let me share with you a leadership study that left a deep impression on me. In 2002, leadership expert Bennies and his colleagues conducted a study on 2 generations of leaders, the grandfathers, who were over 70 years old, and the grandsons, who were under 30 years old. The study aimed to identify the differences between the 2 generations of leaders, but the results showed that their similarities outweighed their differences. One of their key similarities was their attitude towards failure. Benny summarized it as follows: they do not fear failure. In fact, they redefine it as a valuable form of education. Benny said that they redefined failure as a valuable form of education, which is the same as my redefinition of failure as an opportunity to learn. Therefore, when they fail, they can say to themselves, "Congratulations. You have gained another chance to learn."